Hello, I would like to welcome you to our fourth tutorial, which will focus on the first step of working with icons in the workspace, creating connection between inputs and outputs, and assigning functions to these connections. This procedure will be demonstrated with the example of the switching of lighting, and then I will show you how it's easy to make conditions. In this tutorial we will work with one WSB40, which is wall switch button, and two relays for the switching of lights. The first relay will control interior light by long press of up one button. The second relay will control exterior light, which will be controlled by a button on the left side of WSB40. Up one to switch on and down one to switch off, both of them by using a short press. This relay can change the value just in the case if the relay for interior light will be switched on. This will be a condition. From the previous tutorials you know how to make a connection between central unit and iDM3. We will start with a new floor with the name Switching Lighting. If you want to add new icon on the desktop, you have to be in the Controls section. On the desktop we put two switches as inputs and two relays as outputs. In the Lights menu we recognize two types of outputs. The first one is just for a relay to switch on and switch off. These are without ramps on the background. The second one is a ramp on the background, and this icon can be used for dimming lights. In the device manager we renamed the outputs of the switching unit as S.r.o. After clicking on the selected relay we can see the parameters on the right side of the screen. In my case I want to rename RE2 to RE2 interior lighting and RE3 to be RE3 exterior lighting. Now we can close the window. When you click on the icon on the right side of the screen we can change the size of the icon and also connect them with inputs or outputs. The upper switch we will assign to the up one button of WSB40 and lower switch to the down one button of the same unit. The same applies to the light sources. The upper icon for relay number 2 of S.r.o. and the lower button for relay number 3 of the same unit. Now we need to make a function for this project. Go to the function manager, and here you will see all the functions which have been created. Because I opened this project as a new one, I don't have any function here. In this case we need to make all of them. For digital and analog functions, groups, counters, timers and others. Second option is to open a project as a default project, and then you will see a lot of functions which were created by our company. So it's up to you, whichever you prefer. Anyway, I need to show you how it's works, so we create together some. The first two functions are for switching on and switching off the outputs. Because we are speaking about the relay, it will always be a digital function. So we need to create the function digital on, type digital, and select function switch on. The second one will be the same but for switch off. These functions are for button up 1 and down 1. That means switch on and switch off. Because we also want to use up one button for internal light, we need to create one more function with the name digital switch and function switch value. With this function we will be able to switch the value at the output by each press of the same button. All necessary functions have been created, and now we can make a connection between buttons and the relays. Click on the option Add Connection, and the icons change color to green. Firstly, we connect up one button with RE2. In the corner you can see the number of connections which are assigned with the icons. We open the orange arrow by double-click, and the window with the wire connection has been opened. The name can be Switch. Click on the Add function, and for the action long down we use digital switch. That means if we press and hold up button for more than 1.5 seconds, the relay will change the value every time. The next connection is between up 1 and exterior light RE3. The name can be just on, and for action short down we can use the function digital on. Because we want to switch on this relay just in the case relay RE2 is activated, we need to add these conditions here. The last connection is between down 1 button and RE3. The name is off, and action is short press for the function digital off. Save the project and upload into the central unit.